Hi guys, it's Vicky and today we are just going to be doing an electric makeup tutorial. So if you just want to see how I got this look and if you want to do it, please keep on watching. So we are going to start off with priming our eyelids because if you're using really popping colours, you need them to pop because they go a bit down, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to use my concealer for this just to prime my eyelids. I got a new mirror, you guys. By the way, I got a vanity mirror. Yoki, I got a vanity from IKEA. My dad is just a little bit too lazy and he just doesn't really want to put the mirror on. I'm stuck with this one. I'm just going to use this yellowy sample thing from England. Set my eyelids. You can use whatever you want. It can be white, it can be skin color, whatever you want. It doesn't matter, girl. It don't matter. I'm just gonna set my eyelids. Do you like this setting more? Those are my bed. I think I'll leave this set more. We are going to start off with a pink, mate. I'm going to take this neon pink shade right here. We're going to put this on Jesus. Girl, she pink. She is really pink. I'm going to try not overblend because usually they do a makeup like properly like overblend. Like, that's just bad. Now I'm going to take a bigger blending brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges so everything is just smooth. Now we are going to take this yellow neon shade right here. Girl, look at this, that's so pigmented. See? Lots of follow. The thing is this brush, because I only overblend with this brush. It's actually so warm today. Like this is the last warm day and there's going to be snow for like 2 weeks in Ireland. Just, I swear to God, I'm ready for the snow. I hate when it's cold. And I'm the one that says that she wants to move to Canada. I'm the one that says that she wants to move to Canada and she hates the cold. Can this chair stop? I'm just going to take this one. I think it's like a really pretty like magenta. Is it magenta? I don't know what it is, but girl, like she's pretty. She's like a sapphire or something. Stop! This chair is like. You hear that? Steady hand, Vicky, steady hand. Can you even see what I'm doing? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. What am I even doing? Let's see, it's like a cut crease or something. Powder cut crease. Do you know how hard it is to actually record a YouTube tutorial? Like, I swear to God, it's the hardest thing in the whole planet. Like, this camera is too high. Just blend until you have a blue cut crease. Okay? Okay guys, so just went back in with the pink because it's starting looking a bit orange. I don't do art, so I do not know what colours mix with other colours and turn other colours, so I had to go back in with the pink, so I wanted the pink to stand out and it started looking very, very orange. Hello. Just this green right here, Beth. It's matte as well. This is going to turn into a huge disaster, I can tell you. Why is this not showing up? This is legit not working, guys. Oh my god, look at this! Heck her on. There is so much fallout. I'm gonna look like a smurf in a minute. Oh god! Okay. Guys, I have so many good videos coming up in the summer. Like, I ain't gonna get the details out to use, but the videos are gonna be damn, they're good. I can promise you that you will be like legit pooping your pants because they're gonna be scary AF. All I can say is that you better not watch them at night. They're not gonna be scary, but like, I think you can guess what they're gonna be. So I'm keeping tuned for June. That just falls over there. Epoxy hair. This, I ordered this on Wish for like €1. But girl, this is water. This is like a penny. Like, look. Please don't tell me this is like worth €1 because this is probably worth like more anything wet. Look at this watch. See that? She glowing like for festivals and stuff. That's gonna be amazing. No, concealer first. Concealer first. We gotta put some concealer. We gotta put some concealer on. You guys, I think I lost my dog. We keep it here right now, but I don't know where he went. Girl, no, don't tell me that ain't pretty. Like, we ain't done yet. Like, my Morphe palette doesn't have like a loose blue, I don't think. Like blue matter too. You know what I'm saying? Hello, baby Dyson. Do you want to say hi? Hello, baby. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. It's so funny. Say hi. Wappa cream CPAP. Then I'm gonna take this pink one over here, and I'm just going to put it on my inner corner. Look at my eye, look like a raccoon. Alright, Pep. Alright. I'm going to take this purple right here. This is so hard. I hate when things go near my eye. I look like Rainbow Dash. What's up? I'm in the clouds, Rainbow Dash. Are you okay? Hello, raccoon look. Blue. It's not the sapphire or whatever you call it. It's going to be this lighter one. I'm going to basically just put it in between the purple and the pink. I'm taking my Morphe palette, the 35F, and I'm just going to use, which one am I going to use? I'm going to use, see this latest one? Just the really, really first one. I'm going to be using this one from my inner corner. Too much, but it's okay, we can work with that, you know, it's okay. Basically what I'm saying, hold on. Maybe I like Rainbow Dash and maybe I like My Little Pony, but this ain't got nothing to do with you, so keep your opinion to yourself. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on and some lashes. I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, now it's time for the face. I'm going to be using the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel. It's basically a bronzer. You can use it as a base or as a bronzer. Why not? She's so cool. Gives it this nice glow. It's your face until you have bruises. Just beat it. Just beat it, beat it. Guys, we're gonna do the highlight like my ones. I'm going to be taking this one right here. Do you see? I hope you do. I may have blinded you already. Jokes. For the lips, we want to go a bit subtle because then we got a whole lot of blue stuff going on up in here. So I'm just gonna outline my lips with, what is this? The MAC Dervish lip pencil. Oh, that's so pretty. You guys, we are done. Like, we are done. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, like up, girls and boys. Remember to comment down below if you have any video suggestions. I'm running out of ideas. Like, comment them down below, because girl, I don't know what to do no more. Like, see, I'm doing rainbow dash or something. Like, you need to comment down below. What should I do? Subscribe to my channel, Vixen. Right, and thank you for watching again. I love you guys. Bye.